Before running a simulation, it is essential to define certain parameters that determine how the process will be displayed and executed. In easy risk quantum software, these parameters are configured within the options ribbon using the parameters button. So the first parameter is for samples for graph visualization. This parameter does not influence the final results, but affects how the data distribution is visualized. On the first example, if we set this parameter to 100, when displaying the results, we will see 100 contiguous bars with some separation between them. In the second example, if we change the value to 800, the distribution will appear completely dense and continuous, allowing a better visualization in Excel. Now, the number of iterations is a crucial parameter as it determines how many times the simulation is going to be executed. In the free student version, the maximum allowed number of iterations is 200. In the professional version, Easy Risk Quantum allows for up to 50,000 iterations. There's a set of Boolean parameters. These parameters determine whether certain additional statistics will be displayed alongside the simulation histograms. They can be toggled on and off depending on user needs. Now, there are two vertical delimiters, blue lines, that indicate different percentile levels. Percentile 1 set at target value 1. Percentile 2 set at target value 2. The software automatically recalculates these values in the parameter template. If we set a percentile at 1% and 99%, we can analyze extreme values in a financial simulation to understand the probability of obtaining atypical returns. Also, users can configure the number of intervals into which the histogram information will be divided, with a minimum of 10 intervals and a maximum of 99 intervals. This parameter only affects how the histogram accumulates without modifying the original data. Once the parameters are defined, the software will request confirmation to execute the simulation. If accepted, the simulation will run immediately with the established parameters. If declined, the user can modify the parameters before pressing the Simulate button and proceeding with the Monte Carlo simulation execution. To summarize, parameters affect visualization, iterations, statistics, and percentiles. The number of iterations varies depending on the software version. Histograms can be set between 10 and 99 intervals. The software prompts for confirmation before executing the simulation to ensure the parameters are correct. With this understanding, users can optimize their simulations and obtain clearer and more precise visual results.